EDC and I have asked you here because we've got something we need to say, and look, it's not easy. I'm sorry. We need to break up. Look, I know it's been really short. It's not even been a month, but it's just not working out. EDC does spend a lot more time with you than I do. So it was a mutual decision, and I just want you to know that look, it's not us, it's you, and I'm sorry, but it's just how it is. You're just not fitting into the team, I have to say. And okay, I understand you want to know why. You want to know why and if there's anything you can do. And look, I would love it, but you shouldn't change yourself for other people. We're just going to change you for someone else. Look, you're just not fitting in. You take space on the kitchen bench, and your zippers don't close, and quite frankly, you're not accommodating our needs. Specifically, it's the clean colour dot markers. You're just not accommodating them. Sorry, I don't mean to get emotional, but it's not often that we invite someone into the team and it just doesn't work out. But in this case, it's just a fact. Yeah, I know you're smart fit. I know you're smart fit for all active action, and that's great. Look, the Mildliners love you. Like, there was no argument from them. You can take that. And all the zebras and the Mujis, they were all on board, and they were talking you up, and it was, it was a hard decision, but there it is. Is there someone else? Well, I have to be honest. It was the same person who introduced us. I did. I got another email from Amazon, and Amazon said, "Hey, I know you and Lihit really have been getting on," and Amazon said, "Look, I want to introduce you to someone. I think there might be room for them in your team." And at first I ignored it, and I said, no, it's Amazon. It's okay. Things are fine here. I'm on a no spend, low spend kind of time in my life right now, and I just don't have the capacity to take on another unknown at this point. And anyway, I have to say, Amazon, very persistent, and I'm sorry, but I got another email, and Amazon said, well, I can introduce you for $1.50 off. And all of a sudden, that was looking very attractive. So I'm sorry, Lihit, but it's time to hand in. Turn over. Release. Let go. I'm not saying there's no future for us all together. I'm just saying I don't think it's a permanent, solid relationship. Maybe you might like to come on a weekend adventure now and again, or a short holiday, or something like that. But for now, I'm sorry, we have to let you go. I'd like to introduce you to our new member, Anjou. Hi, Anjou. Yes, I see you're blue. I have been into blue lately. You're right. Oh, you like to lie down, but you also like to stand up. Well, that would cause that would really help out with a lot of our kitchen bench dilemmas that we're experiencing right now with family members complaining about certain people lying around on the bench, not doing their zippers up. Oh, I see, you're magnetic. Wow. Anjou, you're full of surprises. Oh, look at that, you can stand up. What's that? Do I like using Tombos? Well, I have to say I do. I've got a modest collection of Tombos. Not as many as others, of course, but a small selection. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, obviously, some of my favourite colours. 992. And 990. And you'd like to welcome on the clean colour dot markers too. Yeah, well, I'm sure they'd be more than happy to to come on board. Oh, space for everyone, you say? Oh, I see. And and look, you still stand up. Wow. Oh, and the mild liners too? Okay. Yes, I know, I do have a bit of a type. Yeah, the green and the blue. Yeah, I'm trying colour coding this year. Yeah, it's working out quite well. Oh, and these too. Oh, everyone's welcome. Okay. Oh, right. Well, look, that's pretty amazing. And my cream out. Oh, you've even got a little Velcro. Oh, because that was the other thing. Look, I don't like to go on about the X, but let's just say the cream whiteout had a couple of incidences where fell on the floor because it wasn't properly secured, shall we say. Oh, and you're quite into Happy Mail as well? Oh, right, okay, yeah. Wow. Yeah, and there's still plenty of space. Gosh, okay. And you close it. Yeah, you don't take up much space, do you? Look, I don't like to compare, but we will. Yeah, look, you are taller, I have to say, and you've got those broad shoulders that accommodate a few more things. What's that? You also, oh gosh, really? Oh, I see. So you can work this way as well. Oh, good for fountain pens. Well, it just so happens that I might have accidentally got a new fountain pen, and let's see. Oh yeah, that is a good match there, and there's a whole extra pocket here too, and still, wow, yeah. Anjou, I think we're going to be a good match. Sorry, Lydia. Yeah, I'm very impressed with your flexibility, I must say. Yeah. Anjou, welcome.